Ready to ditch real-life rent and become a mobile mogul? Let's dive into Monopoly Go. For beginners, covering everything you need to dominate the board, one digital property at a time. First things first, rolling those dice. This is how you move around the board. The higher the roll, the faster you go, landing you on properties, railroads, or chance squares. Keep an eye on your dice multiplier. Higher multipliers mean bigger risks and bigger rewards. Landing on an unknown property gives you the chance to buy it. Tap the purchase button and bam! It's yours. Owning properties allows you to collect rent from other players who land on them. Remember to build houses and hotels to maximize those rent gains. The ultimate goal, Monopolies. Completing a color set of properties significantly boosts their value and the rent you collect, so strategize which properties you want to acquire to form a full set. Railroads are key for two things: shutdowns and heists. Shutdowns let you sabotage other players' properties. Stealing their cash. Heists are a mini-game where you break into a player's bank and steal their money. So make sure you keep your bank account safe by upgrading your net worth. Don't forget about events. Monopoly Go is constantly running special events that offer tons of rewards like free dice, money, and sticker packs. Keep an eye out for these and complete the objectives to level up. Speaking of stickers, these are collectible items you get from sticker packs and events. Completing sticker albums grants you massive rewards, setting you up for ultimate success. Trade duplicate stickers with friends to finish your sets faster. And there you have it, the basics of Monopoly Go. Keep rolling those dice, acquire properties, participate in events, and build your empire. Time to become the ultimate Monopoly Go tycoon. See you on the board.